Here's one of the things a lot of folks are talking about these days. New home builders are offering a ton of incentives. They're throwing everything but the kitchen sink at you to go buy a house, whether they're paying for your closing costs, getting you lower interest rates. They're throwing themselves at you. But the one thing that you have to pay attention to as a buyer and as a real estate agent is that credit that they're offering you, is it a true credit? Because it's not free money. Someone is paying for that credit or that buy down or something in order to get you into the house. Now, the reason why I wanted to share this video was because I came across a loan estimate recently, and I'm going to pop that up on the screen right here. You can see this lender is charging this client 11 points to do this loan. 11 points. This is just so insane that I had to share this with you guys. The builder was offering, I think it was like a $20,000 or $30,000 credit. But how insane is that? You're paying $70,000 to get that interest rate, but the builder's offering you a $30,000 credit to do so. You're still spending $40,000 to buy the rate down. Why? Why would you do that? But these are the things that I want you as a buyer to look out for, because you still have the lender that's going to try to just get you into a home. And this is one of the things why I don't necessarily care for new home builders, because their lending partners are there to just get you into your house, right? They did this to this client. It's not like they were advising them on the best thing to do. They're trying to close the loan as fast as they can to make the builder happy. They're not on your side as a buyer. They're trying to do a job to make the builder happy. That's it. Close the loan, move on to the next one. It's an assembly line. They're not looking at how do we help this person. They need to help the builder. Now, if you're an agent watching this, you need to make sure that you're looking at these loan estimates that go out to your clients, especially on a new build. I hear so many horror stories that the buyers tell me, my agent signed me into the house and that was it. Never heard from him ever again. As a buyer's agent, make sure that you're looking at these estimates, because the credits and the incentives that are getting offered to these clients are not always incentives. And if you're not doing your part and protecting your client, then who is? The builder's not doing it, because they're in it for themselves. So you need to make sure as a buyer, look at your loan estimate. If you need a second opinion, call another lender, get the estimate and send it to them. Any good lender will look at this in 2 seconds and tell you if that's a legitimate estimate or if they're hiding fees or if there's something on there that just doesn't add up right. Utilize the resources that are out there. I've done this for countless people across the country, and I've validated a lot of these estimates that they are great. And you know what? You're getting a good deal. I'm happy to see other people get amazing deals in today's market. But you know what? There are situations like this that people are getting ripped off. People are being put in bad situations that shame on the builder, shame on the lender, and shame on the real estate agent for not looking out for this client. However, this came across my desk. We're going to help this person get into a better deal and help them get into their house. So the number one thing, if you're looking at a new build right now, make sure you ask for your loan estimate, get it up front, get it in writing, not in an email, not in an Excel spreadsheet. Get that in a formal loan estimate document that you can verify, your realtor can verify, and if you need a second opinion, call another lender. Get any lender to look at it and just let them see what they can do for you. Maybe they offer you a better deal, and until you shop that deal around, you don't know what you're really getting into. So protect yourself with the new home builders. Don't just assume that you're going to walk in and they got your back. In some cases they do, some cases they don't. Do yourself a favor. If you're walking into a new home track and your just heart is set on buying a new build, make sure you get this estimate. Protect yourself. Don't get taken advantage of, because once you close on a home, it's too late. No one's going to come and help you. If you need a second opinion, reach out to me. I'm happy to look at this estimate and make sure you get taken care of like this guy is. We'll see you on the next one.